Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says find all non-negative pairs of x and y such that xy minus 7 all to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. So we are going to solve this equation, and here we have a solution. So we are given xy minus 7 all to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. We can see that this is in the form of a minus b all to the power of 2 when you make this a and make this b. So this is equals to, when you expand this, you have a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. So as we said, if xy equals to a and also 7 equals to b, so expressing this in this format, we are going to have our a, which is xy all to the power of 2, that is for here, minus 2 times a, our a is xy, times b, which is 7 times 7, plus b squared, our b squared is 7 squared, equals to x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. So this is the same thing as xy to the power of 2 minus 2 times 7, we have 14xy, plus 7 squared is 49, equals to x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. So in this case, we have this. We can as well add 2xy here to the left hand side and also add 2xy to the right hand side. What we want to achieve is for us to make x plus y all to the power of 2. So when we add that, you know that when we have x plus y all to the power of 2, the same thing as x plus y into x plus y. So when we expand this, we have x times x, we have x to the power of 2. X times y, we have plus xy. We have y times x, we have plus xy. We have y times y, we have plus y squared. So this is the same thing as x to the power of 2 plus 2xy plus y squared. So when we add plus 2xy to this place, we have this. So this will become this. So here we have x plus y all to the power of 2. That is the reason why we are adding 2xy. So here, this will become, we have xy all to the power of 2 minus 14xy plus 2xy will give us minus 12xy, plus here is 49 equals to, since we evaluated this for us to have this, so this will become x plus y all to the power of 2. So in this case, our 49 here can be written as 49 can be written as 36 plus 13. When we add these two, not 39, 36 plus 13 will give us 49. So we are going to substitute this in the place of 49. And also 36 here can be written as 6 to the power of 2 plus 13 equals to 49. Substituting this in this place, we have xy all to the power of 2 minus 12xy plus, we have the 36 plus 13 equals to x plus y all to the power of 2. So in this case, as we said, 36 can be written as, so we have xy all to the power of 2 minus 12xy plus 6 to the power of 2 plus 13 equals to x plus y all to the power of 2. So what we want to achieve is for us to square this side. So as well, we have 6 here. So we can further simplify this as, so here will become xy all to the power of 2 minus 2 times 6xy, or we put it this way, we have 2xy times 6, then plus 6 plus 13 equals to x plus y all to the power of 2. So here, okay, here is 6 to the power of 2, here is 6 to the power of 2. So you can see that we have to the power of 2 here, and we also have to the power of 2. So what we want to achieve is to achieve a minus b all to the power of 2. So this is what we want to achieve. So in this case, this will become here xy minus 6 all to the power of 2. Here, plus 13 equals to x plus y all to the power of 2. Because we see that this is something like we say a minus b. This is a minus b. So in this case, when we expand this a minus b, is going to be a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. In this case, if we set this as our a, we have a here, 2ab. This is what we have. Then b to the power of 2. So this is our a and this is our b. And we have this. So in this case, so we need to clean this. As we said, we have x, y minus 6 all to the power of 2. Then here, this 13 can be transposed into this other side. So we have equals to x plus y all to the power of 2 minus 13. So here, we can transpose this to this other side too. So we have x, y minus 6 all to the power of 2. When this come here, will come minus x plus y all to the power of 2 equals to minus 13. You can see that we have this parenthesis to the power of 2 and this parenthesis to the power of 2. If we set this is different of 2 square, if we set this as a and this as a b, so we have something like a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. So in this case, this difference of 2 square is a plus b into a minus b. So we have this format. So we are going to express this in this format. So in this case, we have, since we say this is our a, so this will become x, y minus 6. Then for b, we have plus x plus y. Then this is for a plus b. Then we have here, the a minus b will be x, y minus 6 minus x plus y. This is what we have. All equals to minus 13. Here we have these two brackets here. It is either the first bracket equals to minus 13 or the second bracket equals to minus 13. But in this case, we are going to make the minus 13, their product, to be equals to these two brackets. That means we have minus 13 will be equals to 1 times minus 13. Or we have minus 13 as 13 times minus 1 will give us minus 13. So in this case, this equation is in the form a plus b, which is greater than a minus b. So anytime we have a plus b, is always greater than a minus b. So to express this to the product of this factor, so a plus b will always equals to 1 for the first factor, and a minus b will be always equals to minus 13. That is for the first factor. Then for the second factor, a plus b will always equals to 13. And here we have a minus b will be always equals to minus 1. So we are going to express this. What we have here, express this in this format. That means when we have the first bracket here will be equals to the first factor of this 13. When we take this, let's take this first. So we have x, y minus 6. We have plus x plus y equals to, since we said a plus b equals to 1, this will be equals to 1. And we also have for the second one, which is x, y minus 6 minus, then for this other one, x plus y will be equals to, here is minus 13. That is for this. Then for the second one, we have x, y minus 6 plus x plus y equals to, because it's plus, equals to 13. This is for this. Then we have the second one, which is x, y minus 6 minus into x plus y, for this equals to minus 1. So this, we have succeeded in expressing this in this format. So here we need to clean this. Then we will make this as our case 1 and make this our case 2. This is case 1 and this is case 2. Then we are going to solve for the value of x, this expression, to find the pair of x and y. So expressing this, we need to move over to this other side. So we need to clean this. So as we said, we are going to take this first. So we have xy minus 6, then into plus x plus y equals to 1. And we also have xy minus 6, then minus into x plus y equals to minus 13. That is for case 1. We are taking this. So this has turned out to become a simultaneous equation. So we name this equation 1 and we name this equation 2. What we are going to do, we say subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So it's going to be this minus this. So we have xy minus 6 minus xy minus 6 will give us 0. So this will cancel here. X plus y minus x plus y will give us 2 into x plus y equals to, we have 1 minus 13 is going to give us 14. So in this case, we can divide both sides by 2. So here divide by 2 and here divide by 2. 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here, and 2 cancel here 7. Therefore, our x here plus y will be equals to 7. And further simplification, we'll have our xy equals to 0. So in this case, for the value of, when we say non-negative pairs, x, y, so x will be equals to 0, and also y will be equals to 7. And x will be equals to 7, and y will be equals to 0. Therefore, for the pair of xy will be xy will be equals to 0, 7, or we have 7 and 0. These are non-negative pairs for the value of xy. That is for case 1. Then we have for case 2. We need to clean this. Then this for case 1. Then for case 2, taking this xy minus 6 plus into x plus y equals to 13. This one. Then the second one, we have xy minus 6 minus into x plus y equals to minus 1. That is for case 2. We have there. So here we subtract, and this is, we call this equation 3, and we call this equation 4. Then we say subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So in that case, this will be minus this. This will go, and we have x plus y minus x plus y will give us 2 into x plus y equals to, we have 13 minus 1 will be 13 plus 1, which is equals to 2 into x plus y equals to 14. We can divide both sides by 2. So in this case, we have divide by 2 and we have divide by 2. 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here, we have 7. So here, our x plus y will be equals to 7. For further simplification, we have our xy will be equals to 12. Having 12, here, the value of our x, the non-negative pairs for x and y, we have x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. And also x equals to 4 and y equals to 3. Therefore, for non-negative pairs of x and y, we have x, y will be equals to 3, 4, or we have 4, 3. So these are the non-negative pairs of x and y. So these are the non-negative pairs of x and y, and they satisfy the question that was asked. For this question, xy minus 7 to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.